morning. I'm going to make some souffled eggs. Belong to King Charles. That's just a word I used to use for fat eggs, fat fluffy eggs like McDonald's eggs. And I didn't even never looked it up, but I'm going to change the name of mine. Mine is fat fluffy microwave eggs. So, okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put it in between two flaxseed crusts, some corned beef eggs, fat fluffy microwave eggs, and put it in between corned beef. Put it in between flaxseed crust. Now this is crushed graham crackers and flaxseed. Okay, this is 6 ounces. You're gonna sprinkle about 3 ounces at the bottom of the bowl. Okay. If you want to use a little water to moisten it, that'll be fine, but you don't have to. Tell you what, let's use a little honey to moisten it. You don't have to, because the eggs will wetting up and moisten it. But, okay, let's do some organic honey. Organic honey. Let's put it at the bottom, it's not going to hurt it. Be good. Okay, so now we got the crust in here. We want to take some cheese. This is why you don't have to, what's a crust? Take some cheese and put it in half. Put it at the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Voila, 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 voila. Okay. Now you reach for some spinach. I really use parsley in this recipe and not spinach, but I'm out of parsley, so whatever light vegetable you want that I can think of, only parsley for a 2-minute recipe and spinach. Okay, so you put this at the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Now, King Charles is so polite when he speaks, I can hear his spirit. Okay, you put that at the bottom of the bowl with your crust and your cheese. Okay, so now you want to take an empty bowl and you want to crack 1, 2. Get this egg in here. 2 eggs. Okay. That's 1. Okay. It's 2. Two eggs. Stir that around. So that's 2 eggs. Stir that around. And salt, pepper. Just a little salt. Because corned beef is a little salty. So you really didn't even need that salt. Okay, you got your salt and your pepper. And stir it around. So now, this is corned beef. You take 3. I want 3. Because you're going to need the corned beef to be the backbone for the other half of the crust. So you take 3. And you stir it around inside your eggs. Okay. You got enough spinach. If you want another bit of spinach, that's your choice. But at this point, I'm just going to put a crust on top of this. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do another spinach. So you put your corned beef on top of the spinach. You flatten it out. Okay. So now you want to do another crust. Flaxseed and graham cracker crust. And you put that in there. The egg is going to wet it just like it would have wet the bottom. Put that in there. You spread that around. You got a lump. Flaxseed lump there. You spread that around. You want another spinach right there? right here, you can, but you don't need it. So now you take another piece of cheese to wet the crust. Okay, you get this cheese to wet the crust. Okay, now your spinach is not going to come out sauteed, but it's going to be done enough. Let's fully cover this with cheese and leave no open spot. Okay. And we're gonna put this on 2 minutes. While it's cooking 2 minutes, we're gonna clean up our mess over here. Now I love and respect the first row family, and when King Charles speaking, he says, "Those are my eggs." He speaks so warm and so politely, but he knows how to get under my skin, just like Harry does. Harry stay under my skin, but I'm not mad. I mean, it's like it's a quiet. Imagine a quiet moment in a room, and then somebody suddenly say, "Those are my eggs." What? Darling, if you can't bake a quiche in 2 minutes, these are not your eggs. And if you use a microwave to bake a quiche, now they're my eggs. Case closed. Get a little sauce plate, not a big one. So I had a white one so you can see better. Okay, we're down to 21 seconds on the microwave. Okay. I'm assembling my equipment. Sauerkraut. I love that. Ranch. Let me, can you see? Ranch. And sauerkraut. And pickles. Okay, it's done. Okay, 2 minutes. Everything is done. 2 minutes. Okay, you want to flip that out. Flip it out. It looks like that. Okay. 2 crusts. Should put some cheese at the bottom. But that's not bad for 2 minutes. So you want to take your ranch. Take your ranch. And if you want to use hollandaise belong to somebody else. But just take your ranch. Do that. Good God Almighty. And you, if you want to sauerkraut, do that. Okay. If you want hot pepper, that's fine too. I had the long stringy pickles. Did I get any more long stringy pickles? Yeah, I got the long stringy pickles. Pickles and ranch.